How to replace and install your new trailer lights, LED and incandescent. Applicable to both universal and stud mount models. Hit pause and study the wiring schematic. At each rear mounting location, remove the existing lights from the drilled 1/4-inch holes. Use the light with the yellow wire for the left-hand driver's side of the trailer. Make sure side marker reflectors are facing out to the side of the trailer. Make sure the clear license plate illuminator is facing down. For lights with the universal or side mount, insert the 2 mounting bolt heads into the slots provided on the rear of the housing. Then feed the wiring and mounting bolts through the license plate bracket holes. And using the locking nuts provided, securely fasten the light to the trailer. Next, mount the light with the green wire to the right-hand passenger side of the trailer. Using the locking nuts provided, securely fasten the light to the trailer. Using the circle connector and screw provided, attach the white wire from the lamp to a good ground location on the trailer. Keeping the plug end of the trailer harness at the tongue of the trailer, attach the white wire to a good ground location. Run the yellow and brown wires along the driver's side of the trailer frame. Connect the 3 wire clips to the trailer frame and attach the wiring to these clips. Make sure the wiring does not hang down or drag on the ground. Using the wire nut provided, attach the yellow wire from the wiring harness to the yellow wire from the driver's side light. This provides the left-hand stop-turn function. Using the wire nut provided, attach the brown wire from the same wiring harness to the brown wire from the driver's side lamp. This provides the left-hand tail light function. Now, run the remaining green and brown wires along the passenger side of the trailer frame. Connect the 3 wire clips to the trailer frame and attach wiring to these clips. Make sure the wiring does not hang down or drag on the ground. Using the wire nut provided, securely attach the green wire from the wiring harness to the green wire from the passenger side lamp. This provides the right-hand stop-turn function. Using the wire nut provided, attach the brown wire from the same wiring harness to the brown wire from the passenger side lamp. This will provide the right-hand tail light function. Now that your lights are installed, confirm all wiring is correct. With trailer wiring plugged into the connector from the tow vehicle, turn on the headlights. Both taillights and corresponding side markers should come on. Your key must be in the ignition and in the on position. The bright stoplight should only come on when the brake pedal is depressed or when the turn signal is activated. If lights do not illuminate, check all ground connections and refer to the wiring schematic. Congratulations! Now you have successfully replaced and installed your new trailer lights.